Hello guys, what if you could create a personalized happy birthday song under a minute with lyrics, music, and vocals without any music skills at all?
On a world of giant trees and ferns so green, Leo stomps into the day the bravest ever seen. 6 candles light the path, adventure starts anew. A party full of laughter and roars just for you. T-Rex helmet shining, explorer by heart, searching for dino footprints, ready to embark. With eyes wide open, dreams never too far. Leo leads the dino dance, a prehistoric star.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a custom happy birthday song in a few clicks using MusicCreator AI. If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Part 1. What is MusicCreator AI? MusicCreator AI is an AI-powered music generation platform that lets anyone to create original songs in minutes. You don't need instruments, recording equipment, or any music experience. The AI handles everything for you. Whether you're making a birthday song for a friend, partner, family member, or even a customer, MusicCreator AI makes it effortless and fun. Part 2. How to create a happy birthday song with MusicCreator AI easily. Step 1. Go to MusicCreator AI and create your account. Once you're logged in, click Create Music Now. Step 2. In the AI music generator, select a happy birthday song. Then enter the name of the birthday song, like a happy birthday song for Sarah. Or add more details like age, special memories for your song topic. For example, Sarah is 3 years old, celebrating her kindness, laughter, and dreams. Next, click Generate Music. MusicCreator AI will automatically generate the lyrics for your birthday song. Step 3. After that, customize your song by selecting the genre, mood, instruments, vocal style, ambience, and vocal gender. Step 4. Click Generate your birthday song now. After a few seconds, MusicCreator AI will create 2 complete birthday songs with lyrics and vocals. Let's listen to both versions.
Candles shining bright, it's Sarah's special day. 3 years of kindness in every laugh and play. Dreams twinkle above just like confetti rain. Sarah, with your giggles chasing every gray away. Little feet are dancing round balloons that soar. Every smile you share opens up a door. Wishes float around, singing sweet and true. Sarah's turning 3, this day shines for you. Happy birthday, Sarah, stars are all aglow. Kindness in your laughter, everywhere you go. Dreams as big as rainbows, hearts that always gleam. Sarah, light the candles, wish your brightest dream. Candles shining bright, it's Sarah's special day. 3 years of kindness in every laugh and play. Dreams twinkle above just like confetti rain. Sarah, with your giggles chasing every gray away. Little feet are dancing round balloons that soar. Every smile you share opens up a door. Wishes float around, singing sweet and true. Sarah's turning 3, this day shines for you. Happy birthday, Sarah, stars are all aglow. Kindness in your laughter, everywhere you go. Dreams as big as rainbows, hearts that always gleam. Sarah, light the candles, wish your brightest dream.
Amazing, right? But you can remix or edit the song again if you are not satisfied with the song. Then pick your favorite version and download it. Look, it's never been easy to create a personalized happy birthday song for your loved ones. And all songs generated by MusicCreator AI is 100% royalty-free. Give it a try today. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.